Hello, my friends. I'm Dr. Heather, the Naturopathic Pharmacist, and I'm going to start a series of videos, and this will be part one, on leaky gut, because that seems to be a hot topic everywhere that you might hear about. So there's a lot to understand, there's a lot to know, and so I thought I would break it into little bitty bits for you. So the first one, I wanted to take time to just talk about what is leaky gut. What does that even mean? Well, we have to go back because basically your digestive system is a tube that runs all through your body. It starts here at your mouth and you take in food and it travels down this tube throughout your whole body and comes out the other side. And in that process of bringing stuff in, such as food and chemicals and whatever else we put in our mouths, it's very important to understand that everything that our body needs comes from that digestion of those products or of that food or that nutrition or that medication. And so it is vitally important that we have good absorption of nutrients and that we process things out of our body that we don't want in our body effectively. And so we want this tube that everything travels through to be healthy. And what a leaky gut is, I guess I should go back to what a healthy gut is. So a healthy gut is this tube lined with cells. And these cells are strapped together, almost arm in arm. They're really tightly packed. And on the top of these cells, there's little bitty villi, like fingers, that are reaching out into the tube, into your digestive system, and pulling across that barrier the nutrients that it needs, the calcium, the phosphorus, the protein, whatever it is that you need, is inviting those chemicals, those products across that cell lining into your bloodstream. But it's also got those locked arms with those other cells. Those junctions are tightly bound together to make sure that things that you don't want absorbed, that your body's trying to dump into your digestive system to get out of your body, that they continue on out of the body instead of being absorbed. So this wall actually absorbs and rejects things. And we want that to stay in that healthy manner. What a leaky gut is basically those cells that are lining your GI system, your stomach, your intestines. Instead of being really tightly packed, they've kind of broken the binding of each other and they're more spread apart so that things can start leaking between them and get absorbed into your bloodstream that you do not want there, such as endotoxins, such as bad bacteria, such as yeast, all kinds of things that you just don't want chemically coming across that barrier into your bloodstream. That's leaky gut, and that leads to problems that I'll talk about in the next couple of videos. If you have any questions on leaky gut, put them below or send me a message. I'd love to answer your questions. And stay tuned for part 2.